Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joanna here. Today I have another YouTube review and it's from the hair company Beauty Forever. Okay, so this is the box the wig came in, and I'm just gonna take out the wig and allow you guys to see what came in this box. Okay, so they provided us with a wig cap. We have our head wrap, some straps if you want to attach it to the wig. We can to make the wig tighter. So now we have the wig, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how the packaging came for the wig, right? So let me just talk about the details of this wig. So this wig is a 13x4. It is 150% density. It's in the length 26 inches and it's in the texture body wave. The lace is a medium brown colored lace. So with further ado, let's inspect this wig. Okay, let's look at the hairline, guys. Are y'all seeing this, y'all? Like, legit, are you guys seeing how plucked this hairline is? This gotta be the best pre-plucked hairline I've seen. Like, it is. And let me allow you guys to see inside the wig, the construction. So like I said, it's 13x4. You get 2 combs at the side and you get 1 comb at the back. Adjustable straps as well so that you could tighten the wig, and they also provided some lace at the back, which is good. And let me allow you guys to see the body wave texture. Y'all, are you seeing this? So beautiful. You all. I'm so excited for this wig. I'm so excited. And the hairline, and the fact too is that they provided some baby hairs. Like, as you could see with the hairline, we got some baby hairs with it, which is amazing. So for this wig, guys, this is the very first lace front wig I'm not gonna do any customization with. I'm gonna plop this wig right on. I'm gonna install this wig. You guys get to see the natural texture of this wig without washing out the body wave texture. You're gonna get to see how well the lace is, like, for beginner friendly, how beginner friendly this wig is, as I will not be bleaching the knots at all. So, but to be honest, this hairline is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. But I mean, you guys could still see the knots. The knots are a little visible, yeah. But so far, Beauty Forever, you came through. You did that. You did that, Beauty Forever. Wow. So with further ado, let's get right into installing this wig, y'all. stand for you guys so you guys could see how it looks. This is how long the hair is. Your hair is gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. Like, y'all, are you seeing this, y'all? This is super cute. I love this. Alright, so guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, the hair is a 13x4 wig, 150% density. It's 26 inches and it's in the texture body wave. The lace is a medium brown color, and I'm gonna say overall this hair is beautiful. It's super soft. My hands runs through it so well. But what I would say is the hair is a little bit on the thin side in this section. Like, they've really plucked the entire lace. Like, the lace is plucked. I didn't have to go in and pluck no parting. I just put in a little powder and that was it, like as you saw from the video. But apart from that, I didn't dye the hair. I didn't wash the hair. I did not bleach the knots. So overall, I'd say this wig is 100% beginner friendly. However, I would say the cap, the wig is a little bit on the small side, so bear that in mind. Like, if you have a big head like me, your hair gonna have to be extra flat if you want to get this wig to fit like really good on your head, okay? But other than that, I 100% love this hair. So in love with it. So soft. Shedding, I didn't notice any shedding. No tangling. My hair runs right through it. The shipping was pretty quick, and I 100% would recommend this wig, guys. Like, are you guys seeing this? I did not pluck this hairline at all. Like, what? I did not do any plucking. This is how the wig came. Like beginner friendly, 100% beginner friendly. Y'all gonna have a field day with this one. So I'm gonna leave the link to this wig in the description box, so you guys could, if you want to purchase this wig, you go get it, girl. It looks nice. It's so soft. It's so soft, y'all. I'm so in love with this. I'm so in love with this wig, y'all. I love this wig. I love it 100%. I love this wig. And finally, I'd like to say thank you, Beauty Forever Hair, for sending me this wig. I love this wig, and see you guys in my next video. Toodles. It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Join here. It's a party. It's a party on my YouTube. Channel. I'm back here, and I'm here to stay forever. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. It's been a while. It's been like ages. It's been forever. Y'all. But I'm back, and I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay, y'all. And scene.